Shapes, we've got these ones here, okay, that we did yesterday. Not yesterday, the last time, and then we got the new ones that we did this time. Okay, so what do we do when we've finished that? There's actually something that we do next, alright? And what that is this is what we're working towards. We get our piece of paper like this, okay? Alright, now this has got two different squares, so you can practice doing two different designs. And what you do with this, I'll just set up my camera. Okay, what you do with this is you divide the paper into some shapes, and it doesn't need to be it doesn't need to be even or straight. It can be something different or squiggly or something, but you divide it into squares, or you can divide it like over this side, you can divide it into a different shape if you want to. Okay, let's say that I want to divide mine into the shape here. So what you do is you divide it into the shapes that you want, okay, and then taking one of the patterns that you learned, you fill in a section. Okay, right? So let's say I want to do, let's choose one. Let's say I want to do this one here, okay, that we learned. All right, so maybe what I do is I draw in my section like this, I draw a big shape like I did there. Okay, so that's the same as my shape here, kind of similar. Okay, and then I would draw my other shapes in there. Okay, so I had to make the circle. Okay, and then I colored those in. I colored that one in. Colored that one in. Colored that one in. And then I draw the lines like this. Okay. Until... Okay, and what you do is in each section you add a different design. So like, let's say in this one I decide I want this one here. Okay. Alright, so I draw my lines like this. I want to do one there. Okay, and gradually what you do is you get one big pattern. Again, I'm drawing with one hand with no tape. Okay, so what you can do then is, like, once you have all the shapes, if you find that you have any gaps, you might want to do another pattern in there. So let's say I want to do the circle pattern in here. Okay, with the little circles. So what you do is you just keep adding designs until you fill the space. And what you do is you end up with a very nice looking design overall, okay? And this is called Zentangle, alright? So gradually what you do is you fill the space. Okay, this one here, I might want to do this shape here. Okay, one that we learned today. And then when you finish doing this, and it has all these different patterns in it, it actually ends up looking very nice, very pretty. Okay, once you go over it with pen, and it has these different designs on it, it starts to look very nice. Okay, right, so I'd follow that one there, and then I'd follow that one there, and then I'd follow that one there, and I'd follow that one there. Okay, so gradually I'm filling it up with my shapes, and each space that I fill in there will complete my Zentangle. So Zentangle is basically a tangle of all different designs, and it looks pretty cool in the end. So get working and see what you can make. Zentangle away.